Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. We're going to talk about the problems I had with my truck and the solution. This is a picture of my truck, and actually this is a picture of the back of my truck with the tailgate down and the cap door open. And this is the inside of the truck, and it's an 8-foot bed. It's a full-size 1997 Ford pickup, and my knees, well, I have artificial knees or replacements, and I have a replacement shoulder. And when there was something up in the front of there, I either had to have a long stick with a hook on it, or I'd get one of my helpers to crawl up in there and dig out what we needed, and it was just a giant pain. I had been seeing these ads for these big drawers that would build into the floor of a pickup. And I'm like, I'll go buy one of them. And that's a great idea, but they don't make them for a 97 Ford. And a lot of them aren't for 8-foot beds either. Well, let's build one. My buddy, Bob, is a master cabinet builder. And I talked to him, and we ordered 5-foot Chinesium slides through Vevor, which worked very well. I'll give Vevor credit every time they send me a good product. We've had some good luck with Vevor. But I bought 500-pound, 5-foot long slides, and we proceeded to buy good birch plywood and 2x6s, and we went to making the box and the drawer. Now, Bob didn't call it the box. Bob called it the cabinet. The cabinet was 4 foot wide, 8 feet long, size of a full-size sheet of plywood, and the drawer was slightly smaller, and I want to say it was 3.5 inches smaller, because we had to leave room for the slides inside when we put it all together. Now, I'm a little bit paranoid, and Bob's a little bit paranoid, so we decided we were going to also put some other rollers underneath, and we went to Harbor Freight, more Chinesium stuff, and we got these little rollers, and we put them on the bottom of the drawer, and when we go to put it all together, it worked pretty well. But before we put it all together, we thought we didn't want those rollers to be running on wood. My buddy Bob, he says, let's put some laminate down like we're building a table, or, a countertop. So we get the tabletop stuff out, or the countertop laminate out, and we spray the inside of the bed, or the inside of the box, and then we glue it down and move on. And we have some video now, and it's the box going together. It's a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Pretty tough. Pretty tough yourself.
Yep. Well, I'll help with
Hey, we got it.
I'll help with the next ones.
difference on steel wheel, but yeah. Right there.
Okay. Uh-oh. Are you locked?
It seems like it. Yeah.
Oh.
We gotta blow all that crap out.
Now that the box was built, we had to call in reinforcements. So we called Charlie. Charlie to the rescue. You've seen Charlie helping me in other episodes, but Charlie was here as a friend today. Bob's shaped like I'm shaped, so neither of us are fit to crawl up in that truck. We got Charlie, and then we got the box in, but then we had to make some mounting pieces of wood, because if we had all the weight on the end of it and we pulled it out, the front end was going to flip up. And you're going to see here the pictures that we solved this by putting a couple struts up in, and we cut some custom pieces to keep the drawer from sliding from side to side between the wheel wells.
Attach it when Charlie showed up.
I'll say it.
Yeah. We had to call in the big guns to get somebody to climb in there and screw it together.
Yeah. That ship sailed. The big guns are gone.
That's I was down at the sheriff's office working, and
What did I do? Oh, no, okay, I did it.
a woman that knows me.
Oh, you want 3 in it, right?
Yeah.
Come around and seen me, and she goes, I don't know her too much, but she said, oh boy, they got the big guns down here. And I turned around and looked at her, I said, was that a fat joke?
Now what I want to do, after he gets us screwed in, we want him all the way here in the end. We're going to pull him out and see if we can flip it.
Oh yeah.
Because if we can't flip it with nothing in
but
there.
we don't want to bend them freaking slides either. You know what I'm saying?
No.
But
He doesn't weigh 500 pounds either. We couldn't do it together.
nothing. Well, we'll try it. I'm thinking we have nothing holding us.
There, Charlie, stay there. Bring him out, Bob. Yeah, you're locked.
Oh, Jesus. That ain't gonna work. That didn't go. Nope. See, this is the tricky part right here. Oh, yeah. Just go ahead. Oops, watch your thumb. Yeah. Just this way. In case that we're off our front rollers.
Okay, so what's that mean?
This is all slide.
You're out.
This is all slide.
What's it doing? Is it...
It's trying to lift this end side.
Okay.
But that's
All right, well...
This is all on the drawer slide.
Okay, so push
So
me
I-
back in now that we're off and see what... Because if you have 200 pounds sitting on the back...
Oh, I'm locked in.
It'd be easier if those pulled up to go.
There it is.
So it's going to take a little bit to get it back in if you got a bunch of weight.
Yeah, we got a bunch of weight out on the end. Put your filters on. Yeah.
We blew the sawdust out of the slides. We lubed the slides with a good lube. And after a few months of use, had Charlie at the shop, and we just thought we'd show it to you all loaded up. And here is the final product with our tools loaded up and our extra parts loaded on it, and even a spare tire up on the front. And probably got a good 400 pound on the drawer now, and that's the way it runs every day.
Okay.
Pull it back out. Uh-oh.
Oh, I'm sorry, bud.
Did it do again? There we go.
And again, that's uphill. So.
Yep. We didn't fix any compressors today, but we thought you might find it interesting about how we try to save a buck and have good solutions for problems. The deck system was $1,500 to $1,600 if they built one for my truck, which they didn't. We built this for less than $300, and I got to spend some time with a couple buddies while we built it. God bless. Like and subscribe. We have a few different episodes coming. I've been wanting to do a refurbish on something. We're going to have that coming in the near future. And we'll get back to compressor videos. Don't worry. God bless. Have a great day. Okay. Who are you?
I'm Charlie Jones.
And I'm Bob Ingram.
They helped Bud, the compressor guru, put the drawer in the truck. We're going to show you more works of it, but I thank these two guys. They're two of my best friends, and I appreciate them to no end. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.